Hi, I'm Laura Scott with Annie's Creative Studio, and today we are going to show you a great activity for the young or the young at heart, finger knitting. I learned to knit with needles when I was about 10, and I could never get those needles to behave. Finger knitting is a fun and easy way to teach kids the basic concept of knitting with no long pointy needles to contend with. In this Quick Stitches and Tips episode, you and your kids, grandkids, nieces, nephews, or even the neighbor kids can learn how to cast on, knit, and bind off using only your fingers and yarn. The knitted yarn tube that you create can be made in different lengths as a scarf, bracelet, necklace, or belt. Try different kinds of yarn and have fun teaching this to kids of all ages. So let's get started. Wasn't that fun? Next time you have kids telling you that they're bored, just grab some yarn, have them wash their hands, and keep them busy with finger knitting. Now, you may wonder, what do I do with these tubes when we're all finished? So let me show you just briefly what you would do. So you can see here I have 2 pieces of finger knitting that I have done. And this is a little bit too skinny for a scarf. I mean, it could be a little skinny scarf, but I like my scarves thicker. So you would just get a tapestry needle and thread some of your yarn in it and do a much longer piece. Don't do a short little piece like this. And just put your two strips side by side, and you might even do them, kind of hold them front to back. And then I'm just going to, and kids can do this, so this isn't fancy, just do a whip stitch and go through the stitches on either side. And that will join your 2 strips together. And that gives you some options as far as what you can do with the finished tubes of finger knitting. So if I had done this the whole way down, you can see now my strip would be twice as wide. So now it's much more suitable for a scarf. So thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you in another Quick Stitches and Tips episode soon.